Jingkhang Khyrdep iki Khyrdep Khappud berka Assam kan Īaid Beit kan Jingkhang Khyrdep kan sedang nado kalai poi terik unai lar arja arpho shiteng mit hado ka nyau terik unai lor arja arpho shiteng mit kan long ban ailat iki nong trei ka koi ka khia ban shong than ya kan lai thu domentri bin rap ka sarkar jalao ba preston tin song hak jalang bar kinong thok khobor minta ka jan mit ka arpo saw terik unai lar arja arpho.
As you are aware that the notification from the Ministry of Home Affairs again received by the state government lately in the last part of last week, and as you know that the decision taken by the state government that at least once a week, once in a month, means 1 week in a month, we decided that we need to close down the entry points of the entire state that we have. So I would like to inform you that today we had a discussion in detail, and ultimately the decision we taken is this closure will continue, meaning from first midnight of 31st August up to midnight of 7th September, closure will take place. Closure will take place. And this decision we taken from the state government is in view of easing out the pressure we have on the ground by the frontline health workers who has to run and man the entry points 24/7. So humanly speaking, I think humanly speaking, we need to understand it is difficult for anybody to continue working 24/7 and without any break at all. So therefore the government has decided that the decision taken in the last review meeting that we need to take a break of 1 week in every month will continue. And the notification in this regard has come out, and I think you must have seen the copy of the notification with exceptions from those essential commodities, from those transit movement between Assam and Meghalaya, and so on and so forth.